Olaf is the new hype. No, I'm not talking about Olaf the snowman from Frozen, but Olaf the revolutionary luggage. Take a look. Have you ever wished you could climb aboard your luggage to go down that never-ending hall at an airport? Well, it is now possible with this foot-powered scooter suitcase known as Olaf. The creator says the idea came from having to catch the next connection flight in 3 minutes when the gate is on the other side of the world and you need to move faster than those moving walkways. The campaign is on Kickstarter. Olaf is ready to hit the streets. It is available in 3 models: an airline-approved carry-on suitcase with a built-in kick scooter. Then there is also a backpack with kick scooter and a kick scooter that can carry another bag. All 3 features wheelie suitcase handles and can double up as a hand trolley. Besides for traveling, Olaf can be used for shopping in a market or any other way you can think of as well.